Hi everyone, I'm here at Geelong in request for Debbie Tanner, the Bussadoom FSX and Busman 500. Here we have N475 for a warnable service on platform number 1. They'll be departing shortly. Just a pan of Geelong. Here we have signal GLG 150, GLG 152. Up there is the tunnel, but now we have the N class. Will be departing shortly. It's platforms 2 and 3. The overpass, further rails. Okay, the whistle is blown. The N class will be departing shortly. It's going to warnable. Next stop will be Marshall, then Vaughan Ponds. Okay, the N class is now departing. Now heading through the tunnel. Just look at the bus interchange and Geelong station. Please look at the station from the outside. Bus. It's a building. Here's a look at platforms 2 and 3. Across there. There's the old overpass, and that's looking towards Melbourne where the light is. Here's the tracks. And then the tunnel up there leads towards South Geelong. So look at the overpass, the newer one. We have a Velocity now arriving. It's just coming through the tunnel. It's going to arrive into platform number 1. I'll be taking this train back to Melbourne. It is originated from Vaughan Ponds. Front half VL51. Half VL50. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up. Thank you all very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and see you in the next vlog. Bye for now.